Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to be showing you what to do if you're growing lupins and they start getting overcrowded by other plants. This is getting bullied a bit. I've got a Japanese peony and an enemy next to it, so it just isn't getting enough light. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I dig it up and transplant it. So let's get the camera right. First of all, go all the way around, loosen the roots first. Once you've done that, lift like so. Once you've lifted it, all I tend to do then is give it a good shake, getting all the excess. As you can see, the anemones are there. As you can see, a lupin is what they call a nitrogen fixer. It actually fixes nitrogen into the soil, so it makes a very good companion plant to other plants. So once you've got all the excess off, all you need to do then is let your shovel like so. You don't want to plant it too deep, you want to bury the crown. Once that's done, make sure the roots tidy away. As you can see, what I tend to do then as well, stop the slugs for the winter attacking it, is sprinkle a few organic slug pellets round. So that's how to transplant my lupin into a new position. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.